Hello those, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be putting the E.L.F poreless pudding primer to test. If you want to hear my opinion on this product, then please keep on watching. When you purchase it, this is what it looks like. Then you take it off like that. See this black thing right here. So when you take it out of the pack, this is what it looks like. And that's the color of it. This perfecting pudding primer smooths the skin and preps it with squalene to help moisturize and grip makeup for all-day wear. The velvety texture glides over the skin, smoothing over imperfections for a poreless effect. Direction: apply a thin, even amount to moisturize skin prior to makeup application. Allow to set for 30 seconds before applying foundation. Oof, okay. Who has got that time? I want to see if it's going to cover that scar on the sides of my nose. Guys, this feels velvety and it leaves your face soft, really soft. This is nice, and it feels in the pores as well without leaving it greasy like the Benefit Professional primer. This is good and is affordable. I don't know, I've got scars by the side of my nose. It's just sitting there. It's not like it melts into the scar, but it feels the scar as well. It does. So let's add the foundation to this to see how it sits on the primer. But the primer feels like you can wear it without the foundation, and that's what I like about the primer. The foundation is sitting on the primer properly, guys. The foundation is just spot on. I don't know, but this is my favorite foundation. But the primer, it's doing good. So far, so good. The primer is good. It is good. I can see difference. It filled in those pores, those areas where I applied it. I can't see my pores peeking through. I do have large pores. It's not peeking through. It's not. Although I applied my face cream, and my face cream usually fill in my pores, like makes my pores to be invisible. If you guys have not watched the video on how I mix my face cream to get a lighter skin or a fairer skin, then I'll be leaving the link in the description box below, or you can check it up right there. Because that cream, it's really good. It's good. Each time I apply that cream, I notice that my pores becomes invisible, like I can't see it anymore. It's just sometimes I'm lazy to apply cream. I'm a very lazy person when it comes to cream. Alright guys, I would say this primer, it's very good. It's worth the hype, but it's not different from some I've used, some I've come across, like this. They've got the same color though. I think so. See the difference? This one, it's a bit drier and this is a bit oily. So this is my favorite. I bought it in Singapore a long time ago. If you've got pores and you want to fill in your pores, I think this is good. This is very good. I like it. I do like it, but it's kind of a little bit oily. Tiny bit. Not too oily for me. My skin can handle that. My skin can take that. But a bit oily, just bear that in mind. Will I recommend this for anyone? Yes, of course. If you've got pores, of course I'll recommend this. This is good and it's quite affordable. So if you're looking for something to fill in those pores of yours, check this out. Okay guys, hopefully you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I would love to see you on my next one. Bye dolls.